My name is Chris Palmer. Today's local SEO video, I'm going to cover 3 individual tips that your competition does not want you to know. I'm going to go over ways that you can rank higher on Google Maps for your local SEO campaigns, but how to dominate a particular area on Google Maps. And these are going to be tips that your competition does not want you to know. So I'm going to cover 3 individual tips, but my very last tip, if you're willing to stay until the end, is going to be something that your competition does not want you to know. Let's not waste any time with Google My Business and your local SEO and ranking on maps. I want to cover, and I have gone over this before, and I'm going to touch on it again because it's so important. Now, when you're getting your reviews, if you take a look, I've brought this up. Each individual industry has particular words, just like in search results. Google will bold certain terms to show how relevant. Now, we know that reviews are a ranking factor along with proximity for Google My Business. So, see how these words within the reviews are bolded? See what words are relevant to Google for reviews and start having them weaved into your reviews. You will start seeing higher rankings within your Google My Business Maps listings. You'll start seeing better results. Now let's move on to the next tip. The best I'm saving for last. It's going to be absolutely crucial that you stick with me. And I want to point out something. Not only are reviews important, but getting reviews from particular people, especially, I'm not sure if you've heard of this, back in the day there used to be something called Map Maker. Now, the new program for nowadays, it has taken over a few years back, is called the local guides. Now, a local guide is somebody that makes these, they'll answer questions, they'll respond to questions and answers, they make edits, they add places, but these are trusted individuals within the platform. So when you're receiving reviews, okay, that are from a local guide, a trusted member, right, of Google, basically, in a nutshell, these reviews hold more weight. So if you're able to get reviews from a local guide, plus they're adding those particular words that are ultra relevant to your niche, you're going to see better results. Now let's move on to the very next. This is going to completely change your entire business. If you have a business and you're in a particular area that you know is working, you know you're getting calls, you know you're able to monetize to the absolute maximum extent, this very next tip is going to be something that's going to change the way you do business, and we're going to stay right here on this local guides page. I don't want to say too much. I want you to put the pieces together, but this is going to something that's going to change your whole entire business. If you take a look over here at these local guides, a local guide earns badges, but once you're able to reach level 6, that's 1,500 points, and you can take a look when you're earning points. Not all points are the same. Like if you go in and you add a photo for 5 points, anything, or add a video, the things that are super high points really aren't the same, because when you're getting these local guide accounts, the actual things that are earning the most are facts checked, answering questions. The stuff that takes longer will build up a stronger account. Now, why am I telling you this? How will this help you rank in Google Maps? Well, not only will the local guides help you rank higher because it's a trusted member, but if you're able to build up a local guide account to level 6, you are able to go into Google Maps as a local guide and add places without a review. Really change your business. This is something that your competition does not want you to know. So if you have a working place and you have a outsourcer or a member or yourself or somebody that is a level 6 or higher, they are able to add places. They're able to take away places. They are able to do things within maps that other people certainly cannot do. And as time progresses, you can go in, because you're a trusted member, make changes, add places. And I want to ask you, if you're able to get more phone calls, more business, more foot traffic? Would this help your business if you're in a working location instead of having one listing, because we know that proximity is the #1 ranking factor? If you have a main base and you have other pins of other businesses in that same location, right, that have been added, would that help your business? Now, I'm not going to touch any more on this. It's level 6. So as a recap, you need to start looking at your niche, find out what words make your reviews relevant. This is crucial. I've said it in the past. This is very, very important. The very next thing that you need to make sure of is getting local guide reviews, because they hold more weight for your business. If you have a level 6 or higher, these accounts are able to add places and remove places without review or without as much scrutiny. So that's going to wrap up today's video for local SEO, how you can rank on Google Maps higher, how you can get more listings, how you're able to succeed for your local SEO campaigns for 2020. If you have any questions regarding Google My Business, SEO, local SEO, national SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, anything internet marketing related, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO video. Have a wonderful day.